Have you ever asked yourself, what is my duty to the earth beyond my rights? What do I owe to humanity? We live in a world where everybody is talking about rights, human rights, digital rights, climate rights. But here is the truth, rights without duties are empty. Today, I want to share with you an idea so powerful, so universal, that it can transform not just your life but the destiny of our entire planet. That idea is One Earth, One Duty. Part 1. Why rights alone are not enough. Think about it. Every war, every crisis, every injustice begins with a fight over rights. My right versus your right. One nation's right versus another's. My comfort versus Earth's survival. But here is the question nobody is asking. What is our duty? Imagine if everyone claimed their rights to clean air but nobody took the duty to protect it. Imagine if everyone demanded peace but nobody took the duty to create it. Rights make us receivers, duties makes us givers, and only givers change the world. Part 2. India's gift to the world. In the land of India, thousands of years ago, the sages of the Bhagavad Gita gave humanity a timeless message. Do your duty without attachment to the results. This is not just spirituality, this is a survival manual for humanity. If we all focused on our kartavya, our duty, leaders would serve the people, citizens would protect the earth, technology would empower, not exploit. India can offer this wisdom to the world, not just human rights but human duties. Part 3. The New World of Humanity. We already have the word citizen, but citizens belong to a nation. What about a word for someone who belongs to the entire planet through the duty? Let me give you a new word today. Kartavya. A kartavya is not defined by where they are born, but by what duties they fulfill towards humanity and earth. Ask yourself right now, am I just a citizen or am I ready to be a kartavya? Part 4. One question for you. Now let's turn this to you. If you had to choose only one duty toward humanity and earth, what would it be? Would you take the duty to reduce waste? The duty to spread kindness? The duty to educate one child? The duty to protect peace? Think about it. Your life is not measured only by the rights you enjoy but by the duties you fulfill. Part 5. How this changes your life. Here is the life-changing truth. When you live only for your rights, life feels empty. But when you live for your duty, life is meaningful. Duties gives you purpose. Duties gives you direction. Duties gives you strength. Every great leader, every freedom fighter, every reformer was defined not by the rights they demanded but by the duties they carried. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "The true source of rights is duty. If we all discharge our duties, rights will not be far to seek." So here is my message to you today. We are not just citizens of nations, we are Kartavya of the earth, one duty, one future. Now I leave you with this life-changing question. What is the one duty you promise to fulfill for humanity and earth? Write it down, live it and share it, like it and share it, because the world doesn't just need citizens, the world needs kartavya. If this message touched your heart, share it with the world. Subscribe for more life-changing ideas and comment your one duty. Let's build a global family of kartavya.